Okay, so today is a beach day. It's just kind of sunny after having been pretty gray for a while, so we're gonna head out. That's what I'm saying.
Oh my gosh. No es feriado, ¿no?
Yeah.
No es feriado, ¿no?
No.
Do you think everyone's here for the art show?
Well, where is the art show?
Yeah,
it's true. It's been.
Oh, it must be over there.
Oh, but okay. Well, we can walk by that way later.
Yeah.
Yeah. It has been. It's like a nice, sunny, warm day after a couple of weeks.
It's fresh.
Yeah. So it's actually super busy today, so we decided to park in the Meridian so that we can avoid a headache in finding parking closer to the beach. So now we're just walking to our regular spot. Alright, so we're actually taking a new route. It's been about 2-3 years since Hurricane Ian, and we had Hurricane Milton last year, and there's still people rebuilding even after Ian. A lot of the houses in this area have more of like Spanish kind of architecture. It's really pretty.
Wow.
Ay, no, mejor vamos para allá. Mira, un montón de gente. Holy cow, it's full.
Allá. Ahí ves dónde está el brown tent. No lo puedo creer. Mira, it's a party, baby. Oh my gosh, look, it's a
that is so
party.
cute.
Happy 10th birthday to Ava, Barbie.
Aww.
That's so cute. Es la primera vez que veo esta playa así.
I know, está súper lleno.
No, estoy exagerando, pero...
So we found a spot. We decided to just kind of stay close to where it is we came from instead of going to our usual spot because it's a bit further down. But the water is freezing. It's really hot and like warm out, but it's cold in the water. So we're just sunbathing right now. I don't know if you can see yourself. And yeah, you're right there. Alright, so it does look like there's still a little red tide in the area, so we're gonna head out early because you can smell the fish. But we got some sun. We got some sun. We got some sand. We got some groove. Alright, so now we're gonna head over to this art festival that they're having here. We saw those signs as we were driving over. We're just gonna drop a couple things off at the car and then walk over there.
Imagínate todo eso con hojas. Oh, yeah. ¿Para dónde se la hace?
Sigue de frente.
Mismo we start on this esquina, pero estaban todos los carros, los que estaban de este lado.
Okay, we found it. We were walking, we're like, oh my gosh, maybe they took it down, but no, we found it. So, it's just a couple tents around, so hopefully it's nice, it's cute. It's nice. A mí también. Ya. $1, 50 centavos, $1. Oh, I like that one. Oh, I love it. ¿Y el vestido? Mira, tienen aquí. Sí, pero mira el vestido. Mira. En la casa para que se fresca. Mira, aquí hay este. Live your life in whimsy, mami. Whimsy. Oh, una troca. Un food truck.
esperando. Ese es el lugar. Así dicen ellos.
Wise words. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love them. I love them.
Great! It's going great. Are you the artist? I'm glad I did too. I saw that one that just grabbed my eye immediately. Thanks, my oranges.
Okay, we are back. We're gonna head home now. Probably stop by and get some water. But that was our beach day. We got a gift from the tents. It was nice. One scoop on a waffle cup from Raisin, please.